Hello everyone, in today's video I'll be showing you 3 simple fruits you can mix together and use to make a healthy meal. If you've been considering eating healthy and looking fit without spending too much money, this video is for you. I want you to watch till the end and you will enjoy it. So here I have my grapes and I have my apple. So we'll be mixing these meals and banana together and we'll use it to make a healthy meal. So you can see me cutting the banana. So I'll slice this banana into pieces. I'm trying to cut the bananas into cubes, as you can see me do in the video. So I transfer it into my bowl. So here is my apple. I'm gonna cut this apple. Take out the seed. Of course, we are not eating the seed. We'll throw out the seed. And I'll cut this apple into cubes. I tried to cut this apple as little as I could. I don't want it too bulky. So for our banana, apple and grape recipe today, I'm using 2 apples. So we try to make sure the apple are being cut into very tiny pieces. These tiny pieces will make it easier for us to mix it together with other fruits. If we make it too bulky, we try to scoop it with the spoon. When we're ready to eat it, it probably may be falling off the spoon. So right now I'm transferring my apple into the bowl. Remember, we have our banana in the bowl already. Now I'm adding apple to the bowl of banana. So this is our grapefruit. So here I'm adding mayonnaise in our bowl. I just added a little bit of pepper and a little bit of complete seasoning, and right now I'm adding 2 tablespoons of honey and half cup of milk. So I'm gonna mix this thoroughly until it's totally mixed up. So I mix it up and it's totally mixed together smooth. Now I just poured it in our bowl of fruits. This is a complete meal and it's healthy as well. I tell you, after eating this meal, you'll be totally full. Your stomach will be full. You don't really need to eat anything else. You can eat this for breakfast, you can eat this for lunch, you can eat it for dinner. It doesn't have a specific time. You can eat it for any meal time. It's completely healthy and it's also cheap. So I'm trying to mix everything together. All the cream I made, I used for it. So this is our banana apple grape mixture. And of course I garnished it with sliced spinach. See how good this is looking already. So guys, let me know what you'll be eating, what time you'll be eating this meal. Is it for breakfast? Is it for lunch? Is it for dinner? Like I told you, you can eat it anytime. It could be for breakfast, it could be for lunch, and it could be for dinner. So anytime you decide to eat it, type in the comment section for lunch. If it's for lunch, if it's for breakfast, type in the comment section for breakfast, and it's for dinner, type in the comment section for dinner. This is absolutely healthy and this is very easy to make and it's very cheap as well. And when you eat this, you know you're eating healthy. All we are about is making you stay healthy. Subscribe to my channel and goodbye.